Hello everyone, it's Soyoung with a tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to find the ends of your yarn and to hold your crochet hook and yarn. When you are first learning crochet, this is one of the most awkward things you are going to encounter. Because there are many different ways to hold your crochet hook and yarn, there really isn't a right way and it's all personal preference. So in this tutorial, I'll help you find your own way to feel the most comfortable. To get started, I just opened up and removed the label for this brand new ball of yarn. The ends are typically found in two places. Stick your thumb and index finger inside the center and grab a clump of yarn and pull it out of the skein. For the other end, you are going to find this somewhere along the surface of the ball. Where is it? Where is it? There you go. Now we have both the inner end and outer end of the yarn. I usually use the outer end, but I use inner end for raffia or scrubby yarn projects to avoid tangles. Sometimes I use both ends of yarn to use multiple strands. Take the end of the yarn you will be working with and drape it over your index finger. Run the length of the yarn between your index and middle fingers. Wrap the yarn around your middle finger and hold it with your ring finger and pinky to create tension. You will then be able to hold your work with your thumb and middle finger. This is the most common and natural way to keep the string taut while working. Some people hold their hook like holding a pen. I have a swatch, so I'm just showing you how to hold your hook like holding a pen while working. If you want to know more about how to make a slip knot or how to make crochet stitches, please check out my other videos. Hold your yarn and grip your hook facing down slightly toward you. Make single crochets like writing with a pen. Sometimes I use my ring finger as an anchor to my work. Don't worry about how to do this stitch for now, just pay attention to how I'm holding the hook. Others grip their hook like they are holding a knife, securing it with their thumb. Hold your yarn and grip your hook facing down slightly toward you. Make single crochets using your arm more than your wrist. Knife grip is how I like to hold my hook, but I try to use both ways. If I'm crocheting for a long time using the pen grip, my wrists start to hurt. Then I change to the knife grip to give my wrist a rest. As I said at the beginning of this tutorial, there is no right way. I recommend that you just try both of them, then you could find the way that you feel most comfortable. Don't worry about how to control the tension of the yarn for now. Once you take your time and practice through your crochet project with me, you will be better soon. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, you know what to do. There you go. See you in my next video.